Hey, Mrs. Cluff's class. My name is Ammon, and this is my microphone so you can hear me really good. So I heard you guys are 5th graders. That is sweet. I hope you guys are liking it. 5th grade's dope! Oh, but hey, quick question. If I asked you to describe to me what it's like to be in the 5th grade, what kind of words would you use? Good? Fun? Cool? I'm bored. I just met you and you guys are boring me. You gotta spice up your descriptions, man. Make them exciting. Take making a quesadilla, for example. You can do it the boring way. Or you could put some spice in it. Wasn't that so much better? Yeah. But what if I wanted you to write a description of what it's like to be in the 5th grade? How do you describe something in a really engaging way so your readers don't get bored? What am I saying? You guys are in the 5th grade. You guys know all kinds of spicy adjectives. Let's go for a text run. I'll give you a sentence, and you spice it up with your powerful, spicy adjectives. All right, are you ready? All right, here's the first one. The soccer team celebrated when they won the game. All right, so you pause the video, and when your table group thinks that they have a better sentence written down, share it with the class. Yeah. I hope you guys are learning how to spice up your writing with some powerful adjectives. And I will see you again soon. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Hey, Mrs. Cluff's class. It's me, Ammon. Raise your hand if you can see me. Oh, I can. I can. Oh, wow. Good. Bad. Take making quesadilla, for example. You could do it the boring way. Or, you know all kinds of spicy adjectives. Yeah, you do. You guys know all kinds of spicy adjectives. You guys know all kinds of spicy adjectives. Let's do this. All right, here's the first one. The soccer team. All right, so you pause the video. Okay, so you pause the video, and when your table group thinks that they... All right, so you pause the video. I hope you guys are learning how to spice up your writing. I hope you guys are learning how to spice up your descriptions in writing. Yes. But in the meantime, keep dancing.